Hello, my name is Sebastian Ledesma. I'm software engineer at Solidigm. I'm going to show you a feature of the Unidex UX24 console that brings IP GPIO. We can see there. Here is a Solidigm UX24 broadcast console. I am going to start two applications. The first application is the classic discovery application. We can see the IP address is 192.168.0.100, okay, which is coincident with what is reported at the main screen. And I will start now the SmartCam application. The SmartCam application is already configured to use that IP. Okay, we can start or enable the service. Okay, and we can show you that there is an input in the channels 8 and 9, and we can move the fader or enable and disable the channels. Then the application is a simple application that shows how to get the GPIO information using the protocol HTTP. Thank you.